Hello everyone, today is Wednesday, June 12th, and here is another fantastic night on my patio garden, which I love. So I'm just showing you some of the plants. Right here are my lettuce. So if anybody who's out there watching my video, can you give me some tips, because I water my plants every day and I just come home and they're just bone dry. Maybe I need mulch, not sure. This is my sunflower, and on the label it says that the sunflower only needs to be watered once a week, but also it's bone dry every day. The leaves, they just wilt. This is my cilantro. It bolted. Now it's just a pretty white flower to me. Did not know that you were supposed to cut it, so it didn't get that large. Here are my cucumber, and I just threw some dead leaves on the floor. Someone told me that if you have any yellow plants that you should take them off because it's taking away the nutrients from your other leaves on the plant. So I just wanted to actually clean up my mess. So how are you guys today? How is your garden growing? I've made so many mistakes on my garden. I think I have too many plants, too many flowers. If I had it to do it all over again, I would plan better, but it's just a lot of fun. So I'm just showing you that I'm going to put on my gloves, and I'm going to use my little pan and little brush to pick up some of the leaves that I've taken off my veggies that were like yellow and dying, because I just want them to grow nice and healthy. And I'm going to place the little scraps in this plastic bag. So here we go, having fun. I think this flower is very beautiful right now. I don't know the name of it, but I will put it in the description. So it's just a beautiful plant, and it's supposed to flower very well. I think one of another issue that I experience is my pots are too little. So I just bought pots from the Dollar Tree, which is nothing wrong with that, but I think I should have just bought bigger pots so that the plants could grow into it. And so I just feel like that I keep having to spend more money to buy bigger pots. So for you beginner gardeners, a tip is to get the size pots that the plants will grow into. So I'm just sweeping up my mess. I'm trying to keep my garden area nice and tidy. It's around 8 o'clock and I don't have much sun left. So tomorrow I'm going to come back, and I may change some of my items around, my flowers around, just to utilize the best space. Some of my plants, I feel they're not getting enough sun. Some are getting too much sun. So I'm just really trying to tweak it as I go. So the mosquitoes were really eating me up tonight, so I'm definitely going to have to get some spray, so when I come to my garden that I can just put some spray on, so these pesky mosquitoes will not have me for their little appetizer. So this is me just trying to clean up a little bit. And I found these cute little ducks. I have 2 of them, and I just really wanted to place them in my outside gardening just to give it some like little home decor, so it just wouldn't just be all plants. Here are my cucumber plants. They're in grow bags, and I do not like the grow bags. I mean, I just feel that it's not working. And I also tried to use tomato cages on the tomatoes and also with the cucumbers, but since my space is so small, it just took up too much space, so I had to take them out. So this is just a view of all the other little plants that I am growing here in this lettuce. I just need to take off the little leaf because it was dying, and it's also thirsty. I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong, but I water my plants in the morning time. Maybe I should soak them, I'm not sure, but they're just so thirsty. So I just want to show you that I'm growing some kale in this cup. I don't think they're all growing in, but I'm just happy to have like the few pieces that have grown in, and I did 3 cups. So here's another cup, and here's some more kale. And I grew these from seeds that I purchased from the Dollar Tree for 25 cents, so not bad. And I'm going to show you the final cup, and I'm starting to see a few of the kale plants coming in, so I'm super excited about that. So if I had to start my garden all over again, some things that I would not buy is tables. I would not buy like planters. Oh, I want to show you my lavender. And I have 200 seeds in here, and they're not doing well, but I'm just happy to have just a few that have grown in. So yeah, I just would not buy tables and chairs, especially if you have a small space. You have to decide if you want to sit out on your patio or if you just want to have enough room to grow plants and what kind of plants that you want to grow. So look at my strawberries. They have little strawberry babies. Look how cute that is. Oh my goodness. So cute. And I'm getting another strawberry right there. So this is so much fun. And let me show you, I have another one growing. They're doing so well. I try to turn the strawberries, every couple of days so that it can get the right amount of sun. We have another strawberry baby growing. It's just so much fun growing your food. I'm not sure how to know when to take them off, so I'll probably try next week to eat one. I'm not sure how big that they're gonna get, so aren't they cute? So I do have some more strawberry plants. I think I have 3 more pots of strawberries. They're not doing as well as the first one. I did buy them at different times, so I'm just waiting patiently. And this one does have a flower on it, so soon I will have some more strawberry babies. Here's my second plant. So yeah, I just love my plants. So I love coming out to my garden because I just feel so good just to be out, I'm going to say in nature and just enjoying the view and just enjoying the fact that I am growing things. So I'm just super excited. I want to show you my tomatoes. Oh my goodness. They're growing so big. And the funny thing is, I don't even like tomatoes, but I started growing them because I heard that it was the easiest thing to grow. So I think what I'm going to try to do, look at that. I don't know if this is a pepper or bell pepper. I'm going to make like a lot of salsa, so I'm super excited about that because I do not want to waste any of the food that I'm growing in my garden. So we have some more little babies. I'm just so excited. I don't know if you guys are first time gardeners or if you've been gardening for a while. I just feel like I got on the bus late, and I will definitely be growing more things next year. I just hope next year I'll have a bigger space. So I'm just putting that out into the universe. I need more space to garden, and I'm going to start early. And I think most of the things that I will grow next year, I'm going to do them from seed. So yeah, so this is my zucchini plant. and I'm going to repot it. I tried to put it on a cage, the tomato cage, but I just don't have enough space, so I took it off. And here are my lettuce, and I need to start eating this lettuce. And as I said, the dirt soil is always dry. So I just wanted to share my Wednesday night with you, and just so you could see the progress of my garden. So I just wanted to show you some more of my peppers. It's just so much fun. So I hope you guys liked my video. It's just random thoughts, but I will see you on my next one. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Miss Sassy Pat.